fill out the service invoice as freelancer. Kaka-register ko lang last July 15. So ito pwede mong gamitin as your reference sa pag-fill out ng service invoice. Sa taas, client name and address. And then sa right portion, yung date sa TIN ni client. Dito naman tayo sa service description. Ilalagay mo lang dyan kung ano yung nature ng services mo. For example, sa mga VA, ganito siya, VA services, June 2024. Quantity, madalas 1 lang naman yan. And then yung unit price, kung magkano yung price ng services mo. 1 multiply by 50,000, total, ilalagay sa amount 50,000. And then sa lower portion naman, yung total sales, i-total mo lang lahat nung nasa taas. Since isa lang naman, VA services, 50,000. So total sales is 50,000 din. And then withholding tax, 0 siya sa example natin. So total amount due is 50,000. And then lagyan natin ng pangalan natin. Ganyan lang siya.
You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.